It's like 10 something. Axel slept through the night until 6.
Do it. Do it. Now. Put your phone down, jump in. Don't think about it, just do it. Do it. Yes! You're my hero!
Taryne's turn. Taryne's turn.
I don't want to give you the baby now. I don't want to give you the baby.
I don't want to give you the baby.
You have to. I just worked so hard to get into it.
Yep.
See ya.
Go.
Try. Ew, this feels so gross. So extra. Shop Felicia Marie.
So today we are throwing Taryne a surprise birthday party. This surprise birthday party is from her mom and her dad. Her mom had decided before her last surprise birthday party from her roommates that they wanted to throw in. So the girl's getting 2 surprise birthday parties this year. Can you tell that Taryne's big on her birthday? I'm gonna insert footage here from her birthday party from her roommates.
We need to do that more often.
I'm pretty positive she has no idea what's going on, like none. So we'll see how this goes. So it's 1,000,000 degrees out and we are going to take pictures. And Paul's like, this is nuts.